Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's get right into this. So these are water-based face paint, like body paint, face paint. It says professional face and body painting palette. It has 40 colors. It comes with the brushes that you'll need to paint the face. And then these are all the colors. Look how vibrant those are. So you have your glitters, you have your like neon, and this, just your other colors. So stinking pretty. But let's go ahead. I'm going to give my kids some face paintings. Like last month was my older daughter's, and then I have 2 birthdays this month, and then one of my son's birthdays next month. So all my kids' birthdays are around the same time, so I like to do like little parties, and I figured face paints are awesome and just great for the kids, and they love them. So let me go ahead. I'm going to show you how they work though. So as you can see, the colors are super pigmented. We made a box today, super cute. So this is what my son's looks like. Very cool. You can see, super pigmented, and they work well. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, God bless.